What's up, my heat? What's up, man? Long time no see. Nah, just kidding. What's up, man? I'm back with some fire content, as you know. Exotic Wealth. What's up? So, yeah, man. I've been out. So, yeah, you see that 4 days ago? Yeah. So, this is 4 days later, okay? So, I know you see 2 days, but man, been busy. Okay. So, yeah, I'm sure y'all been busy too, but let's get back at it. Okay. So we're going to get into this little niche right here, and this is the coronavirus. This is what's going on right now, right? And you notice all this, right? Do the five, right? I don't know why people are doing this now when you were supposed to been doing this stuff, because like, why are people trying to get all healthy and Miss Goody two shoes now? I don't get it, man. But hey, let's talk about that, because yeah, I'll never get that. But anyways, yeah, this has always been the point. You should have always been doing this. Five, do the five. You should already been doing the five. If not, then yeah, do it now, because yeah, it's so serious now that I guess it wasn't so serious before. Just like exercising, people don't take that serious either. They just joke around with that and say they will, but hey, nah. But let me go to good. Okay, I searched up best way to prevent coronavirus. Okay, I searched the best way to prevent coronavirus. So this is a way to make money, and we're gonna teach. I'm gonna actually talk about content locking. Content locking with the coronavirus is fire right now, because guess what? People are searching like crazy. They are doing a research right now, and it's crazy, man. I'll show you. So this is what people are looking up right here, and I'll show you more of what people are looking up right now as well, because in the later tab. So yeah, coronavirus cure and all this stuff, and I'm gonna show you a couple websites to show you like some sort of demonstration and content locking, but I'm gonna try to go a little bit farther than content locking and show you the actual content. So yeah. Okay, coronavirus cure. You should research this, right? And look at everything on this first page, because 9 times out of 10, everything on this first page is doing something that you're not doing. So you see this over here, right? You see this alert, coronavirus, disease alert, and all this stuff, right? So first, I want to search up Neil Patel keyword tool. Okay, and you should search this up too, because this is really useful, and this is just a free keyword tool, so to where you can see how much visitors is getting are actually searching up a certain keyword. So yeah, let's search up coronavirus. All right, let's go. Coronavirus, right? So we're gonna see how much people are actually searching this on a monthly basis at this moment. I don't know. I haven't searched it up. You see, I'm just doing it right now, right here in front of you. So yeah, let's actually see. Let's see the details, man. You got to go to the keyword tool. So instead of keywords everywhere, you can use this, man, because guess what? You can see how much traffic this keyword or any specific keyword is getting. So yeah, here you go. You got 3,350,000 search volume on a monthly basis. Okay, as you see, the number of searches this particular keyword has during a month. Okay, and this keyword is really, really valuable. Okay, how you know if it's valuable? What I would recommend choosing is some keywords right here in the green, because these right here are very competitive. So when people are searching up keywords, but the good thing is, I don't know if you noticed this, but the good thing is that that competitive keyword is very cheap. You see this cost per click? You see that? They're just 7 cents. Okay, 7 cents. Okay, that you'll be paying just to get up there. So yeah, as you see right here, 77 cents. 3 cents for 5,000 for coronavirus wiki. You can post ads to these as well, or have somebody from Fiverr to actually do some keyword research around this niche as well for you. But I'm showing you the free way. So here you go. And so you would just search this up. And so you would search different things dealing with coronavirus and see how many people are, how much visitors and how much searches is actually getting to this keyword. And not only coronavirus by itself, you want to be very specific. Like, what can prevent, like you want to do it very personal and first person like this. What can prevent me from catching coronavirus? Boom. There you go. So you would then search that up, right? And then see how much searches is getting, obviously. So as I see right here, how much searches is getting, no data to display. So I can't see nothing. I can't see nothing for this one. So I guess ain't nobody searching it. So I'm just doing this off the back. What can prevent coronavirus? Let's just leave it super short. What can prevent coronavirus? Okay, so I searched up what can prevent coronavirus. Let's see if this is something, because maybe they can't do long tail keywords. This may be it. I don't know. It says it's processing. I wonder if the last one was processed. The average web page that ranks in the top 10 has one blank. What can prevent? Okay, so here you go right here. View all keyword ideas. So you could also do this as well for free and view other keyword ideas around this keyword that you search. So you see, obviously nobody ain't really even searching this up. So yeah, it is what it is. And if you want to see more, you sign in with Google. And I'm gonna show you some more, man. I'm getting so caught in with this, but yeah, just know that you can do this, and yeah, it is what it is. So yeah, here we go. Google Trends, man. Everything around Google Trends is coronavirus. Everything that the most searched thing right now is coronavirus. Okay. Coronavirus. Make money with coronavirus. The best time right now is right now, literally, to make money with coronavirus, man, in any kind of way. And that's content locking within CPA marketing, or you can do some affiliate marketing. How can I do some affiliate marketing? Well, you can easily simply search it up. So as you see what I did right here, I searched up coronavirus, obviously, and I got a picture. Here goes that picture. I took the picture, and this is what I did with it. Boom. Okay. So I did this with the picture, human verification. Here you go, the content lock. Copy this. I said, please complete a survey below to see how to make money with the coronavirus. And so I'm gonna show you something else of what a company actually content locked their own thing, but they have to pay. You have to pay in order to see this. So I'm gonna show you this different method and strategy of what you can do to make a whole lot of money off this company. But I'm gonna show you that probably after this. Okay. So I'm gonna show you that after this. So here we go. Coronavirus affiliate marketing. Here you go. It gives you multiple links on how to make money with coronavirus doing affiliate marketing. So I clicked on a couple of them, but you want to be very specific. You want to be very, very specific. You can search this on YouTube. You can search this on Google. I say it's best at Google because you get actual details on Google than you will on a YouTube video. And that's just our honesty. So you just search how to make money with coronavirus, and I guarantee you'll see a lot. Here we go. 5 smart money moves to make money during coronavirus. Here we go. 9 smart moves to make money during the coronavirus. Here you go. You got a ton of them. Okay. So for the people that are actually searching this, I guarantee you a lot of people are searching this too. This keyword right here, how to make money with the coronavirus, because coronavirus, as you've seen, is all over Google Trends, right? Since it's all over Google Trends and it's really trending, people are going to be searching this, especially affiliates. They're going to be searching this. So what can you do in order to make money? So you can turn it from long tail and shorten that up, make money with coronavirus, and see these are all the keywords that people are searching up if they want to make money with coronavirus. And as you see, there's no ads at this moment, and you wouldn't see over 1 billion results. You see, that's 1 billion results. And did you see about the last keyword that had over 1 billion results too? So yeah, there you go. It had over 1 billion results as well. I think this has more, but nope, this has more. So here you go. This one has more results. So that's what you should pay attention to as well. The results of how much affiliates or blogs are actually talking about this and how to make money with the coronavirus. So you see over 1 billion are actually on the trending. Well, not the trending, but on Google ranks. So yeah, as you see that. But now let's get into what I was going to show you. Not that just yet. Okay. Not this either, but we create trusted partnership that drive growth. Okay. So this is company, as you see, awin.com. awin.com. If you don't know about it, here you go. Solutions for advertisers, solutions for publishers. You can make money with them. So they making money. You can make money with them with the coronavirus. I'm not saying have coronavirus. I'm just saying here we outline, continue to update measures of have taken, liked, and going. But yeah, if you want to know more about the site, you just go to here, join network, and you can learn more about this website, because this website is not all about coronavirus, but hey, you can make some good money with the coronavirus niche. Okay. That's what I'm saying. And they got actual offers. Our global affiliate marketing network empowers advertisers and publishers of all sizes to grow their business online. So there you go. That itself should tell you what's up with this. So let's go and go to the next one. Okay. So here we go. Big tech goes after affiliate marketing. So as you read these, you start to notice that, man, Amazon is trending. Everything is trending when it comes to coronavirus. Everything, no matter what it is, like especially the keywords I actually searched up. These keywords, how to make money with coronavirus and make money with coronavirus. These words are trending. You can actually, if you have a making money online niche, you can actually, if you have an offer for it, you can actually put it right here. Because guess what? There aren't any ads to this. So what I say is go in the back door of Google Ads and see how much traffic you'd be getting if you were to plug this keyword in and actually see. So yeah, here we go. Take this quiz. Here it goes. Take my traffic quiz and get customized advice that will walk you through. See, what the thing was, I don't know if y'all caught that. The thing was with this was he had put that in your face, meaning for traffic. If people are searching for this, marketers are actually searching for this. And this dude, Neil Patel, had put that quiz in my face. If you just seen that, he put this in your face whenever you just come on here. You can't even exit out, as you just seen. If you can go back and pause that, you can't even exit that out. You can use that same tactic. Okay. So it means for marketers. So is that what the coronavirus means for marketers? So as you go down, this is what I was going to show y'all right here. This is what, as you go down, scroll down here, get all past this. Look at this. Conversion growth or decline due to COVID. So everybody trying to make money off of coronavirus. For example, look at this. You can only read a certain amount of content from the Washington Post. This website, Washington Post, I'm talking millions of views per month. Okay. So what I suggest or recommend you should do is actually pay this $29, right? Pay this $29, then content lock that mug, content lock it, right? I say content lock it because, like, look at this. People are actually wanting to see this. So if you post an ad to this or on the forum of, like, I'm sure they're talking about it. I'm sure people are talking about it right now. Washington Post. Watch this. Let's search this up. Let's actually search this up. Washington Post. Let's look at this. As we just seen, $25, right? Let's see. What you would do in some deep research type thing is actually search up on forums. So you would search Quora. So is Washington Post reliable news source? Okay. You would probably search up something new, probably in this year, 2020. Why is nope. I'm sure if you actually go on the website, you can actually see it, what I'm talking about, because I'm sure people are talking about the coronavirus and stuff like that on Quora as well. So as I was saying, as you see this right here, what I recommend you do is actually buy this and subscribe to it, and all the content that they have that they're trying to like owe people for this BS right here, you can actually give it to them for free. This is very ideal to content locking right here. This is the secret of content locking. Whatever's actually locked, this is locked. People cannot read this behind this. I don't know if you see this. Let's go closer, okay? You see this? Get 1 year for $29, okay? You can cancel at any time. We mean it. Okay. So it's like the coronavirus season, right? And people are going crazy. So they want to read this. So in order to have something content locked, you got to give to the people something that they want to read. So if you tell them for detail, if you want to read this content from Washington Post for free, here you go, complete this content down below, complete one of these offers down below, just word for word, and just like tie that into it, because that right there is a whole case study itself, because that that website get millions of views. Here we go. It says it's the reason I bought case measures on 500,000 a couple years ago. So I recommend coming to read his blog as well. His blogs are very good. So yeah. I recommend checking out Neil Patel blogs, because his blogs are pretty dope and you can learn something from it as well. So yeah, I hope you like this video, man. I hope you kind of got where I was going at with that last strategy right there with that $29 in content lock. I say go content lock that mud fast, okay? Because nobody is telling you that information right there. Nobody is telling you about that at all. And I say go pay that $30, right? And then get it content locked, just as I have it right here, or you can do it better. Like, it's always better. Be creative. So yeah, that's what you should do. And I hope you like this video. I really do. And I'll start to come out with more content as soon as I'm not busy. Okay. Because I've been busy lately, real busy. So yeah, I hope you like everything. I hope you like the video, and have a great day. Have a good one. Peace.